Hey guys, what's going on? So, by popular request, I'm going to be doing some actual testing of these speakers that I'm unboxing. So we have the Black Diamond, the DS18, and the Timpanos. They're going to have their own video with me hooking them up, testing them. Now, I'm doing a low RMS, budget-friendly test. So I've got a dual head unit, one of the cheap ones that you buy at Walmart. The reason I'm doing this is because not everyone that buys these, because these are budget-friendly speakers, is going to have a high-end setup. This is going to more represent like a factory head unit or a cheap aftermarket head unit. We don't have any amplifier on these. I will do an amplified test comparing all of them as well. But in this video, we're going to be actually talking about the DS18 PRO-X6.4BM. It's a 6.5 inch with a 1.5 Captain voice coil. 500 watts max, and it's 250 RMS. Right now, we're probably putting about 30 RMS to it in true power. So I'm gonna go ahead and play a few songs for you and let y'all hear it. The audio might be a little distorted in the video. I don't know how good this iPhone's microphone will pick it up, but it is crystal clear. We're at 35 on the Bluetooth head unit. We're not playing anything that has copyright on it, so we can actually put this video up on TikTok and on YouTube. So I'm going to use some copyright-free music. And this one is the mid-range loudspeaker with the bullet. This is not the traditional dust cap, so this is going to be a more precise tone. That's why I have the camera facing upward, coming down, so it gets actual good sound wave quality. Because the other one's going to be more wide range, this one's going to be more directed. So let me go ahead and get a song ready. And okay, here we go. I'm going to play a few different tracks so y'all can hear it.
You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I've been waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine.